What's up, everybody? This is H2Hubb with H2Hubb, and we're here to do an unboxing video for the Q-Spa. This is a hydrogen bath product. This product has undergone all of our evaluation and testing and is approved by H2Hubb now and recommended by us. And so we wanted to do an unboxing video for it and to show you how it's going to come to your home and its packaging and manual and everything else. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, so let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. As mentioned before, this is a hydrogen bath product. It is the second hydrogen bath product that we recommend here at H2Hubb. So we're pretty excited about it. All right. So let's pull it on out. We'll set the box down. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's really nice packaging for the product. And on the front side, you get the image, and on the back side, they give you the how-tos and the specs. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the inside. Come on out of there. Okay. Oh, that's really nice. What you guys see. It's a circular product. It's about it's decent sizes. I have nice size hands. It's bigger than my hand. We'll take it out. So this is the actual generator itself. Has a pretty nice, elegant design to it. So that's the generator. Like I said, circular shape. On the back side, you'll have, its specs and its serial number. And then here, this is just a protector. I will talk more about this in the demonstration video. But let's go ahead, and underneath the generator itself is the manual. And so it's normal user manual, tell you how to use the system, and then see if there's anything else under here. All right, so got it out. Underneath here, they do have a section for you to open it up. And this is to get to your power pack, which is located underneath the generator. And I'll set this here. So, yep, it's your power pack. And then they also have a carrying case that comes with the system. So if you're traveling, you can carry it in your hotel. You got hydrogen bath at a hotel or wherever you're traveling, parents' place. So yeah, it's a nice quality little carrying case for the system. And that is it. So that is all the materials that comes with the system. So to recap, you got the generator, you got your user manual, you got a carrying case, and you have the power pack. So in the next video, we will do a demonstration video of the product and talk a little bit more about its features and then how you would use it. And other than that, we'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.